Greetings to everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am in the park. Let's watch the natures here. There are many pigeons here in Hutchinson Park. And also, okay, let's see the pigeons there. Here. Oh, lovely. Lovely doves. Lovely, lovely doves. Here they are. Rubbish bin. They are very hungry. Da-da-da-da-da. And there are also the tents of the domestic helpers. Doves. Okay, let's go to the other side. Let's go and see the turtles. There are also turtles here. You can see the turtles there. There. They are three. It's very sunny. That's why they are out from the water. Okay, let's zoom it. You can see that one. No littering, offender will be prosecuted. Okay, let's go nearer. Go nearer where the turtles are. Here we are. Here they are. They are lovely turtles. Wow. Maybe make it a little bit smaller so that's brighter. Okay, it's so bright already. Okay, hey, turtles. They're there. This park is called Hutchinson Park. There are many trees here. Okay, let's go. You can see the torii there up, and there are birds. When it's very hot, the turtles are out from the water. They are like people also. They want to stay under the sunshine, sunlight. There are couple here, couples of turtles, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Can you see that one? 2 by 2. Two turtles, two turtles. They are like human. Okay, let's go further there. Because this one is so nice. You see the pigeons there on the branches of the tree. Oh, it's lovely to climb up there. I wish to climb over there. Wow, exercise is very healthy old man, grandpa. Sometimes it's better to come out from our comfort zone to open our eyes to the beautiful creation of our Heavenly Father. Here, you can see the beauty. And what are those in the pots? Can you see this one? Very nice. I feel refreshing if I'm in the park. So can you see that one? Because I can see the different types of plants. Wow, what is that so big? There's a bird, a very big bird. Have you see that one? Is it a parrot? There's a yellowfish. There's still turtle under the stone. Very lovely fish. And also the big bird there like that. Oh, it's colorful fish. Yay! Wow. I miss this place so much. Oh. And even this tree, very huge tree. It's a huge tree. I miss this. At the time when I was away from here, I miss this so much. I seldom come here. These are the domestic helpers. They're enjoying their time. They're resting. It's better to have a tent here so that they can able to rest because it's very cold during winter. It's winter already. That's why it's January. Sometimes it's very cold, but sometimes it's not. So it's better to have tents to stay. It's the rest day of the domestic helpers like me. Here they are. Life of domestic helpers here. Yes. And also here there are so many domestic helpers I show you. Wow. This one. Green. Wala naman siya eh. Yeah, wala naman siya eh. Purple daw. Wala eh. Hi.
Hello.
Thank you very much. That's enough for today. Thank you, viewers, subscribers, viewers, and everybody. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe for more updates. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye-bye. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Mga kababayan kong Pilipino. Bravo sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat.